Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just the other day, I made a video about elongating this to a point like an arrow. And one of my viewers or subscribers kind of reminded me, if we select both these, we can right click and add a node and it put it right in the center. Now we can take that node away because it always adds another one around the corner. Then holding down the control button, it'll be perfect. It's right in the center. So let's back up here and another. So that's holding down the control button. If you wanted this thing, my rectangle is 15 inches long. I've got my nudge factor set on 4. If I wanted exactly 19 inches, all I do have to do is hit the right arrow key to the right. That's exactly in the center and it's 19 inches long. And to kind of prove it is perfect, Control D and make a duplicate, and then we're gonna mirror it. And it's right on top of it. It mirrored it perfectly. Anyway, so I thank that viewer for reminding me and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.